Hello, everybody. This Sunday is Mother's Day, and I thought everybody needs some tips on how to make Mother's Day extra special for all the lovely mothers in their family. So, I'm going to give you some tips which you can use. If you are already running a school, you can give this as an assignment through the children. So, how do you make Mother's Day special for the women, especially, and for the whole family? Let me get straight down to it. You can prepare a breakfast in bed for them, because to make it extra special for them, you can prepare a special lunch based on their food preferences. So these ideas can be for the mothers, your own mother, your wife, your sister, any mother in the family. Just make it special for them. Plan a family dinner where everyone leaves their mobile phones at home. You can prepare a romantic candlelight dinner. You can do a YouTube cooking class together. You can find out a really good channel and help them subscribe to that. You can cook traditional family recipes which they've been, maybe perhaps they have eaten in their childhood or has been passed on for generations, and that can be something that you can cook for the day. You want to give them a break from cooking, order in that day, so that you can order in whatever their favorite cuisines are. You can take them for shopping. You can go out. You can take them to buy some jewelry which they'll obviously like. You can just do general shopping and give them a gift card from a particular shop, or just let them shop with your credit card. You can have them buy them some personalized gifts with their name or the children's name on it. A sari or a dress is always a wonderful gift and well appreciated. You can buy a at home spa kit which they can use at home and pamper themselves. If they love devices, gadgets, you can buy some devices from websites like Amazon. If they have a favorite author and they like some book, or they've been meaning to read a book, you can buy that book that they've been looking forward to buying and order it. It'll come in one day. If they love cooking, then of course you can buy some cooking equipment for them. You can create some handmade crafts which they'll truly appreciate that you took the effort to do that. You can plan a movie night which of the romantic comedies. You can plan out a family picnic that day somewhere nearby with nice food and everything. If you want to make it extra longer, you can plan a weekend getaway at a hotel or resort nearby. If for the day, you can plan a game night, a board games for the whole family to be involved. You can, if you have a bicycles, you can go for a bike ride, or if you don't, just go for a walk and spend some quality time together. You can also sign up for a dance class together in the local area. There are a lot of dance institutes everywhere, so sign up for a dance class. It's good fun. You can call all the ladies in the families for a Mother's Day party for the community. You can book a spa for them for one day and let them pamper themselves. So you can also book through a website like Urban Company. You can call some cleaners who'll do a deep cleaning of the house, and I'm sure they'll appreciate that as well. You can, on the same lines, you can book a chef who'll cook the food of their choice at home. So some women love home cooked food. So home cooked food with the professionalism can come through a personal chef. You can also, again, on a website like Urban Company, you can book a masseuse who can come at home, and she can pamper the ladies in the family and get them completely relaxed. You can again book up a beauty treatment at a nearby beauty salon as well. Just take away their responsibilities for the day or for a few hours and give them some me time and tell them you're on your own, do what you want to do. If there's some home improvement that she's been wanting to do, some things, changes in the house, this is a good time to do those and take action on them. You can also book a slot with a personal stylist. Look for a good stylist in your area and book a slot for a complete image makeover. If you want to go out, you can go for virtual reality. This is a new thing that's come up, where there are virtual reality experiences. You can go there, or just go for a fresh air walk. Could be in the park, the nearby, or just somewhere around your city. Again, there are places in the city, I'm sure, like the zoo, museums, aquariums, anywhere you want to go, should go there. If not, then you can just take her to for a photography walk. Today, there are a lot of Instagrammable points in every city, and you just need a keen eye to look for them, and they'll appreciate the effort of photographing some beautiful pictures. Also, there are some sightseeing locations, I'm sure, in the city where you've been meaning to go, or your family's been meaning to go. You can go there that day. You also, for different causes, if she has some particular cause that she believes in, you can donate to that charity. You can plant a tree in her name. You can sponsor a child's education. You can volunteer together in a local community effort, some effort that's happening in your area. You can spend time in an animal shelter if is an animal lover. You can support local artists of your area who make things with hand and buy their products as well. Or if you're in the mood for crafts, you can together do some DIY crafts, do it yourself crafts as well. So you spend quality time with them. You can also encourage them to share stories from their childhood and let everyone in the family hear about how their childhood was, what kind of fond memories do they have. Also together the whole family can also plan some karaoke nights. Karaoke nights is very easy to set up. You just need a mobile phone, hook it up to your television with YouTube, you're good to go. If you have a family of musicians, then it's a good time to create some family music, create a little band together. I'm sure you'll create some memories from there. If you want to keep it simple, you can also do just some home shoots with your mobile phone as well. Today we are consuming and creating so much content online, so this is a good time to create some pictures which will be used for their DP pictures or their main pictures or their banner photographs on their profiles. If the weather is not good outside, you can also keep yourself home and do your indoor picnic in your own garden, in your own drawing room, and just make it fun for the whole family. Or if you want to be more active, you can plan a fashion show with all the latest clothes that different family members have. Let them dress up well with makeup and create a funky video of a fashion show of the family. You can also create using homemade materials, natural materials. You can create face packs and things for the beautification, so you can plan that and the whole family can be involved together. The whole family can also be involved in creating a family scrapbook of memories of the past year. It could be photographs, could be things that make them remember what makes this year very, very special for them. If there are special little girls in the family, they would love to join hands with the moms to make handmade jewelry, and of course they'll appreciate the love that you do when you create some handmade jewelry for the ladies. Also, if you want to, instead of buying a card from the market, why don't you make a homemade card? I mean, the effort that you put in, the emotions that you put in are much more and are more appreciated than just buying a card from a shop. Also, if there's an artist in the family or you want to be an artist, you can create some artwork for them. Could be their painting, could be something that they love, their favorite destination, which will bring memories of what they love to do. In the family, you can also organize a cooking competition. Everyone is a cook at some level, right? Somebody can make instant noodles, somebody can make a cup of coffee, somebody can make the best of cuisines. So let there be a cooking competition to see who can make the tastiest food or drink as well. Together you can go gardening as a family as well. You can do it in your own lawn, in the pots that you have at home, or just do it in a local park. It's very, very refreshing and it really refreshes you so for the week ahead. You can create a photo album. We all have a lot of pictures in our mobile phone. Go to a photography shop, ask them to take pictures and printouts, and with those printouts stick them in a photo album, and that will create an amazing memory for this year. You can also make a family time capsule. In this, what you do is you write down, suppose you want to make a 10-year one. So after 10 years, write to yourself that after 10 years, what would you say to yourself? And the whole family will write to them. So if somebody is 25, they'll write to themselves as if they are 35. And after 10 years, the family will open this, and I'm sure they'll really appreciate, and it'll be some amazing memories that you can create. But you have to create the family capsule as well. Also, you can call their loved ones, so the people they love, they care about, and have a get together, a gathering at home as well. If there's something that needs to be done in the house, if you can pitch in and revamp those things, do some home improvement, that'll show that you really appreciate their efforts they make to convert the house into a home. Also, you can ask people who know the ladies about their fondest memories, something they have to say about them, and create those small clips and merge them into a larger video, which will create a video which will be very well cherished, and I'm sure will bring tears to the eyes. So I hope these 60 ideas were something which gave you some ideas on what you can do on Sunday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like button, and please share this with other men that you know in your family and friends who may be stuck and would require this video to make this Mother's Day extra special. So if you share this video, I'm sure from this video they'll get some ideas and it will bring a smile on all the mothers in their family. Wish you all the best for the Mother's Day. Hope it's going to be a great one.